How to use the Immersive Reader in Helperbird. Immersive Reader is a tool that helps to improve reading on any web page. Select any text on a web page, right-click, go to Helperbird, click Immersive Reader. You have now entered the Helperbird Immersive Reader. To listen to the text, click the play button at the bottom.
The owl and the pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea-green boat. They took some honey, and plenty of money, wrapped up in a 5-pound note.
You can click on an individual word to hear its pronunciation
Owl,
and see a drawing that visually illustrates that word.
boat.
Click the button next to the play button to change the read out loud speech options.
They took some honey and plenty of money, wrapped up in a 5-pound note.
Click the double A icon to go to Text Preferences. Here you can change the text size, the font, and the color theme. The next icon brings you to grammar options. Here you can split words up into syllables,
Beautiful.
highlight different parts of speech, such as nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. The book icon takes you to Reading Preferences. Here you can add a line to focus in on reading. You can also translate your text to another language, by word or by document.
El owl, búho. El búho y el gato fue al mar en un hermoso barco verde guisante. Tomaron un poco de miel y un montón de dinero, envuelto en un billete de 5 libras.
You can switch back and forth between the original and chosen language.